We are going to talk about the Association of College and Research Libraries Information Literacy Frame, Scholarship as Conversation. Scholarship is a conversation, and you are becoming part of that conversation. Sustained discourse involving a variety of perspectives and interpretation is what fuels discovery. Think about the kinds of conversations that are happening in the field, who is involved and who is excluded. Novices and experts take part in the conversation, but established power and authority structures can privilege certain voices and information. You enter into the conversation after listening for a bit and as you begin to make connections in what you hear. Providing attribution to relevant previous research is an obligation of participation in the conversation. It enables the conversation to move forward and it strengthens one's voice. There are several types of attribution. The main attribution type is citation. There are also acknowledgments to those that provide essential information or services to your project. And Creative Commons licensing allows information creators a simple way to grant copyright permissions to their work within the boundaries of copyright law. Extending knowledge in a field is a collaborative effort. Points of disagreement are opportunities for debate and dialogue that deepen the conversation. Ideas are formulated, debated, and weighed against one another over extended periods of time. The conversation inherent in scholarship is well illustrated by the publication process. From research to writing to peer review to publication and comments, evidence of the conversation is found throughout. In seeking out information, however, it is important to acknowledge that there is a bias in published literature, as studies with positive results are favored. Additional sources of information can be important tools in your research. For example, clinicaltrials.gov is a database of privately and publicly funded clinical studies conducted around the world. It is maintained by the National Library of Medicine. Here you will find more trials than in the published research literature, as many studies with negative results may never be published. The peer review process, while important, is not a perfect system. You must maintain a critical thought process. Consider the perspective of the creator of research. Who funded the research? Do the conclusions align with the methods and findings? The conversation can continue for years, and failures of the process can have serious social and scientific impact. For example, in 1998, Andrew Wakefield and some of his colleagues published a case series in The Lancet, which suggested a link between the MMR vaccine and autism in children. The paper received wide publicity, and vaccination rates began to drop because parents were concerned about this alleged risk. Almost immediately afterward, additional studies were conducted and published refuting this link between the vaccine and autism. This particular conversation went on for many years. The Wakefield paper was finally retracted by The Lancet in February 2010. Wakefield and his co-authors were found to be guilty of ethical violations and scientific misrepresentation. This is an example of the value of disagreement and debate in the scholarship conversation. Retraction Watch is a tool to look for studies that have been retracted as a result of this commenting and debating process. Retraction notices may also be linked to original articles in some databases. Retractions may occur due to honest error or intentional misconduct. Remember as you examine the literature that you are entering into an ongoing scholarly conversation and not a finished conversation. The conversation continues in your absence across various threads and in multiple directions. Experts and novices continue to collaborate and new evidence and ideas are presented. A variety of perspectives and approaches, as well as debate and disagreement, work to improve the quality of the conversation. Maintain these qualities of attentiveness, engagement, welcoming new perspectives, and critical reassessment to be successful in your role in the scholarship conversation. Novice researchers enter the conversation by developing familiarity with the sources of evidence, methods, and modes of discourse in the field. Experts understand that a given issue may be characterized by several competing perspectives as part of an ongoing conversation in which information users and creators come together and negotiate meaning. Experts also understand that while some topics have established answers through this process, a query may not have a single uncontested answer. Experts are inclined to seek out many perspectives, not merely the ones with which they are familiar. Finally, ask for help when you need it. There's always room in the conversation for new perspectives or approaches. Contact a medical librarian for assistance by emailing mclib@uky.edu.